Hi, this is Alisa and I'm inside the house of Aurora, Quezon here in Baler. Look at the old house, it's so nice, and they're my siblings here. Oh, this is the receiving area. There you could see the poster of the couple, and here is the entrance there, and you can see the ceiling, so old really. And the dining table, and look at the pillar. It's really a part. It's really the bark of a tree. Oh, so nice. These are the rooms, and this is the room. Let's see. Sorry, old house, but so nice. Still, it was preserved. Nice, nice. So nice. It's good that they were able to preserve this house, this old house of Aurora, Quezon. It's actually Aurora, Aragon, if I'm not mistaken. She's became Quezon because of her husband, Manuel Quezon. So we're gonna be moving into some parts of the house here. I guess this is a receiving area still. And look at the dining table. Yeah. And the pillar of the house. So very old. So nice. Oh, say hi everyone. Hi. Hello. Oh, we're vlogging it. We're vlogging it.
Aurora's ano?
The Aurora's old house.
Doña Aurora's old
Aragon,
house, Ancestral
Quezon.
house.
Yes,
Here in
yes.
Baler.